Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an item from Craft Buddy to open. Now I have two of these in different designs, so hopefully I will be able to show you both today. They are paint your own pillows, so they allow for a bit more creativity than a paint by numbers. This is the first one, so we get our little picture which can give you inspiration, shows you what maybe the original illustration looked like. We've got some instructions, some idea about colour mixing. You get a cute little palette. We've got a flat brush and a round brush. We've got, interesting, the fabric paints, I assume, fabric paints, which come in these kind of tubes. Let's have a look and see what the tips of those are like. Let's just grab one out. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. So they are sealed on the inside. That's good, because I was a bit worried that came off too easy. So how does that come off then? Is this right? Okay. So yeah, they've got like a little icing sort of pipette tip, and they are a squishy plastic, so I guess that will help us to get the paint out. But as I say, there is an extra seal inside, so hopefully none of them should have dried out, which is good. It's always a bit of a worry when you're getting kits that come with paint. And then we get our sort of Hessian kind of pillow. Oh, it's a good size, my goodness. It is, does it say how big it is? So it's described as a 30 by 30. Get the old trusty, what? It's bigger than that. I guess what they mean is that it will take a 30 by 30 cushion pad if you are, when you are adding something to the inside. It is a zip closure. Yes, so we've got a little hidden zip here. So yeah, so you would pop your cushion pad in there. And as you can see, there's no indication at all on the cushion itself as to what colour you should paint it. That is entirely up to you. You want to paint the entire thing black? Go for it. It really will allow for a lot of creative expression, but without the worry about whether or not you can draw this gorgeous bird. One thing I was thinking was, because I've got the Crystal Art Magic Glue from Craft Buddy, and I'm not expecting this cushion to end up anywhere that's going to be particularly hard wearing, I may embellish it after it's been painted with some diamonds. I've got a lot of rhinestones in my spares, lots of pretty things that could be added using the Magic Art glue, or indeed if you've got some E6000 type glue, any sort of strong glue that will cope with being on a bendy fabric. So that is our first one. Colour wise, we get a really nice variety. The only thing I will say, no brown, although obviously we can make a brown from the colours that they've given us. But yeah, no kind of natural colours. So that is kit number 1. And kit number 2 is exactly the same contents. So we've got our picture, palette, instructions. We've got Is it the same selection of paint colours? More or less, not exactly. So that's quite interesting. It will be interesting to see what the actual paint inside the tube is like. Because there are some differences. The pink here is a lot lighter than this pink. So yeah, you may be able to mix and match between kits. We've got, again, 2 brushes, a round and a flat, and then our cushion. And this time I went with the butterflies. So this is butterflies on a peony flower. So there we go. So that's 2 cushion covers. The kits are $15.99 each from the Craft Buddy website. There are a couple of other designs, some of which are quite low stock at the moment though, but well worth checking out. I will of course pop links in the description. So as I complete these, as always, I will pop some pictures onto my Instagram, and then once I've completed one, we will come back and do a post review. In the meantime, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.